Images of mass rallies in total disregard of COVID-19 prevention guidelines are awash in the media as politicians get along with political business. According to security forces, the behavior is a reflection of a society that has long moved back to normal and an abnormal situation thanks to the relaxed lockdown measures.
We've noticed that the level of vigilance has deteriorated and is even worse over the weekends, where you see the majority of members of the public not wearing masks.
The forces now say they may no longer watch on as the population gets in self-destruction mode given the sharp rise in positive cases. Last week had more than 200 confirmed cases.
And we may see ourselves reintroducing more stringent lockdown enforcement measures with the new hotspots that are now emerging in Kampala here, in the arcades, in Wakiso.
The Minister of Works and Transport, General Katumba Wamala, is not far away from confirming some aspects of the economy will face tougher restrictions if not shut down altogether. A third warning by the Transport Minister was to public transporters, whom he accused of not obeying the COVID-19 guidelines.
If this trend continues and the virus and the transmission continues to spike, then the Minister of Health and government may have no alternative but maybe to go down and close the use of public transport. And maybe, again, go back into it. This is more pronounced in Kampala, where it has now become, as already observed by the Minister of Health, an epicenter.
The easing of the lockdown and subsequent resumption of operations by the courts of law had provided relief to the congested prisons.
Because of the resuming of courts, our prison population has gone down 61,000, although the remand population is still 52%.
The latest results show 60 more people tested positive and 2 deaths recorded. The registered total of COVID-19 cases within the boundary stands at 1,560, of which 1,165 have recovered, while 15 succumbed to the virus.